Okay, there is one more problem. Two bodies are thrown from the same point, the same velocity of 50 meter per second. So two bodies are thrown from the same point with the same velocity of 50 meter per second. If their angles of projections are complementary angles and the difference of maximum heights is 30, their maximum heights are, okay, let us see here. They given, this is the projectile, two bodies. So this is one body and this is another body. Let us consider. So this one makes an angle theta. This one we consider as 90 minus theta, like that, complementary angles. So complementary angles means let theta comma 90 minus theta, the sum of two angles must be 90 degrees. Such angles are said to be complementary angles. So now here theta plus 90 minus theta 90 only, so complementary angles. So one body is projected like this, it is moves in this manner. This is another body, it is moves like this. So the max heights, this is h1, this is h2, they given h2, this is h2, this is h1. So now they given difference h2 minus h1 is equals to 30 meters. They given 30 meters. The difference of maximum heights is 30 meters. So now let here first one theta, angle theta is equals, theta 1 is equals to theta. Now I am going to find out maximum height. So h1 is equals to, you know that h1 maximum height is equals to u square sin square theta by 2g. This is equation 1. Now h2 is equals to now max height u square sin square 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta by 2g. So that is equals to here u square sin square 90. So 90 means odd, so that is becomes u square cos square theta by 2g, cos square theta by 2g. So this is equation 2. So they given, according to problem they given here, they given, so here given what they given, h2 minus h1 is equals to h2 minus h1 is equals to 30 they given. So their difference is equals to 30 they given. So now I am going to consider here what is the h2 value. h2 value is equals to u square cos square theta by 2g minus h1 value u square sin square theta by 2g, that is equals to 30 here. Now what we are going to common here, this one is u square by 2g common, remaining here cos square theta minus sin square theta, that is equals to 30. Now here u square by 2g into cos square theta minus of, so sin square theta can be written as here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Now in place of sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So now I am going to write sin square theta in terms of cos square theta. So sin square theta can be considered as 1 minus cos square theta, that is equals to 30. Now u square by 2g, that is equals to cos square theta minus 1 plus cos square theta, that is equals to 30. That means here, so now here u square by 2g into cos square theta plus cos square theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1, that is equals to 30. 2 cos square theta minus 1, that is equals to 30. Again I am going to multiply with that is 2 u square cos square theta by 2g minus 2 square by 2g into 1 u square by 2g into 1, that is that one, that is equals to 30. That is equals to 30. Now here I am going to take 2 into u square cos square theta by 2g. U square cos square theta by 2g is equals to h2. That means here h2, this is h2 minus u square is equals to 2g, that is equals to 30. So now 2h2. Now 2h2 is equals to 30 plus u square by 2g. They given u square 50 initial 50, that is 2h2, that is equals to 30 plus 50 into 50 by 50 into 50 by 20. Now 2 ones gets 0 gets cancelled, 2 ones 225s. Now 2h2 is equals to 30 plus 125, because 25 5s are 125, that is equals to 155. This is equals to 2h2. Now h2 is equals to 155 by 2. 155 by 2 can be considered as, so that is equals to 77.5. So 2 sevens are 14, again 7s 14, so 5 is 25, right? So approximately 77.5 meters is the h2. So now h2 we calculated 77.5. So next we need to find out h1. This is the equation. From this equation we know to h2 minus h1 is equals to 30. Now h2 is equals to 77.5 minus h1 is equals to 30. So now 77.5 minus 30, that is equals to h1. Now max height h1 is equals to, so this is 77.5, that means 47.5 meters. This is the max height h1. So in this manner we are going to find out h1 and h2. So this is h1 value and h2. So now answer B is correct. Thank you.